Hi everyone, I'm Shubham and welcome to Pentestguy. In this video, we are going to talk about how to install a Genymotion for Android VAPT purpose. So let's start. First, we are going to create an account for the Genymotion. So for that, need to scroll down and find the sign up button, and we need to create an account over here. Okay. So you need to simply register a free account over here. I'm not going to register it because I already created a one for me. Okay, so after that need to click on the resources and click on download. And we are going to download the Genymotion for us. Same process you can follow for Windows. But first we need to install Virtualbox. So let me open my terminal, and I'm using Kali, so I'm using sudo apt install Virtualbox. So I'm not going to install it because I already installed it, but make sure that you need to install it first. And let me go to the specific directory where I downloaded the Genymotion, and here it is. So it's a bin file. So first we need to change the permission, so I make it executable, and we are going to run it by using sudo. You need to hit enter and it will ask you where at which location you need to install it. So you need to simply say yes and it will install it for you, and check the Virtualbox too. So okay, my Virtualbox is opening, so you can check I have different VMs over here. Okay, but where we need to where we will get this Genymotion, or where from where we are going to run it. So for that, let me clear my screen, and we need to go to the specific path. So let me go on that specific path, which is nothing but OPT Genymotion. If I do ls, so I will get Genymotion data, or you can say files and folder. So we are going to run that Genymotion. So for that I am going to run it directly from the terminal. Okay, so it's booting. Okay, so I already logged in into my Genymotion by using my Genymotion account, but you need to log in by using your account. Okay, so you can check over here, and you need to select license will be personal use at the time of login. Click on create or plus button, and I'm going to select the Android API, and I'm going to select 8.0. I'm going to select the first custom phone, click on next, and it will ask some simple information, which is name, and so I'm going to give it Pentest, and I can change the setting like processor, or I can change the RAM. I can also change the network setting. I'm not going to change it right now, but yeah, we can also change it after creating a device. It will take few minutes, so we need to wait for it. Okay, so it's done. So I need to start the device. Okay, now we need to download ARM translation. So for that I'm going to download it for 8.0. It's a zip file, and along with that I need to download OpenGapps, which is a kind of Google applications we use in our Android device. Okay, so here I have already downloaded both the zip files. So what I am going to do now, I am simply going to drag and drop it. You can also install OpenGapps by using the pre-defined option in the Genymotion. Okay, so let me drag this window. Okay, perfect. And first I'm going to drag that ARM translation on our Android device. Click on OK. And again OK. Okay, so now we are going to drag that OpenGapps. So same with this file. Simply click on OK and click on OK again, and I'm going to restart my device. Okay, so that's the quick way. I simply close it and running it again. Okay, now you can see that I have Play Store in my phone from OpenGapps, and you can see also see an IP address of my device. So what I am going to do, by using terminal, I am going to connect to my Android device. So for that I am going to use ADB connect and IP along with the port number, which is 5555. Okay, and now I am going to use the ADB shell, and voila, I am in that Android device. We can do lots of things by using ADB, for example, finding sensitive data in the storage and the other things too. If you enjoy the video, please do like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in the next video.